Next, 9.5. An alkene A on ozonolysis gives a mixture of ethanol and pentane 3-1. Write structure and IUPAC name of A. Here, mixture of ethanol. Ethanol means 2 carbons. 2 carbons all means aldehyde. So the formula is CH3CHO. So it is ethanol. And pentane 3-1. Pent means 5 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third place contains ketone. So 1, 2, 3. Third place contains ketone. Then CH3, CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4, CH2, CH3. So then written as, here is central of carbon, C double bond O, C double bond O, then CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, next another one CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3 plus ethanol. So first write oxygen, then double bond HCCH3. So in first compound oxygen is written into right side, next compound oxygen is written into left side. Then we will remove oxygen. Then the structure is CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, C, CH2, CH3, double bond, CH, single bond, CH3. So it is the alkene A. So then we will give the IUPAC name. So here it is the first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. So from left to right also 1, 2, 3. So it is third place, it is left second place. So it is the correct one. So third place contains ethyl. So 5 carbons of pent. Second place contains ene. So the answer is 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl. 5 carbons means pent. Second place contains ene. Pent to ene. It is the answer. The alkene A is 3 ethyl. Pent to ene is the answer. Thank you. Please subscribe.